Hello everyone, Ian Foxley here. I thought I'd do a follow-up video about mine in Sweden. I did an earlier video where I'd purchased a contract with them using some VIP shares, so I just thought I'd update you a little bit about what's been happening. First of all, they have updated some news. They now accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Bitcoin, Litecoin and its other kind of payout options. Which is quite interesting. They also go a little bit more into what VIP shares are all about. At the moment they're still only selling VIP shares, but once they've sold all the VIP shares then they'll start selling normal shares. At the moment the VIP shares are costing around $8.79 for 5 gigahash, which does sound quite expensive compared to other companies, but like I mentioned in the other video, please be aware that obviously you're not paying fees. Contracts are about a year, but you're not paying electricity or maintenance fees, so basically you get a full payout every day or every week, but your payout basically would be as if you hadn't you would be mining it at home. Obviously you would pay the electricity externally every month or whenever, but you would kind of get a full payout of Bitcoin in your Bitcoin wallet, which is like what this company's doing. So in a way it's kind of working how the old Genesis mining contracts used to be for script. Before they changed them to lifetime contracts, they used to do 1-year contracts where you would pay one price, and basically everything like the fees and that were already included, so basically you would get a full payout every day. So this works in a similar way. There is a link, don't forget, in my description, so if you want to go and check this website out you can. I advise you to do that just to even have a look around. It explains a little bit about VIP shares. On the dashboard they've now added an option, for example for me, so I can look at payouts, so they'll give me an idea what my payouts are going to be every day or once a week. At the moment they're still doing weekly payouts, but they will be changing that, I believe, to pay to dailies soon. So if I get my calculator out here, so basically they're saying at the moment that for every gigahash you will get 1077 Satoshi. So I will look at 1077. I have 250 gigahash in this contract, so I will times that by 250. So my daily payout will be about this amount here. But as the payouts are weekly, then I will basically times it by 7 for the amount of days in the week, obviously, and this is the amount that I should get every week. Now, interestingly enough, if I go to here, Bitcoin Wisdom, I put in 250 gigahash into their kind of little calculator thing they have here, and as you can see they are saying that over a week you will get around 0.01885 Bitcoin, which is kind of very similar, obviously very similar to what I'm getting here. I mean, if you rounded that up, it would actually be quite very close. It would actually be the same. So yeah, it's kind of good as a basis so that you can get an idea what your payouts will be. As I said, the VIP shares are a little bit more expensive, but that's because basically you're buying shares in their company, so basically over the long term if they make profits then obviously you'll get a share of those profits as well with the contract that you paid, whereas the people that buy non-VIP shares when they're available obviously will not share in those profits. So very interesting, so I'll just see how it goes. For me personally, I'm mining Bitcoin for the long term. I'm not one of these people that are just basically trying to mine Bitcoin and then hope that within 6 months I get my money back. That's not the way it's working for me. I'm just thinking long term and think that one day Bitcoin could be worth quite a lot of value. Instead of it being $300 now, it could be, you know, potentially could be thousands of dollars. I don't know if this will ever happen or when it will happen, but hopefully in my lifetime. So that is the reason why I'm mining Bitcoin now, because while you're mining Bitcoin now, then obviously one day in the future, you know, those payouts will decrease. I'm very sorry about a noise, that was my mobile phone. So yeah, what I will do actually is I will bring up my Bitcoin wallet so you can see the last couple of payouts that I've had for yourself. Right then, so what I've done now is I've opened up Multibit, which is the wallet that I use. At the moment Bitstamp is selling Bitcoins at around 274. So these are my last 2 weekly payouts I had, and as you can see my last payout, which was on Friday the 6th of March, all the payouts at the moment are every Friday, so my next payout will be due in about 5 days time. As you can see, matches quite well actually with what I had here. You can see here, you see this figure here, it matches up pretty well with what, and also with what Bitcoin Wisdom is saying. At the moment, the current price, that's a payout of about, in dollars, about $5 a day. Now, if you look at my previous payout on the 27th, it was a lot higher. Now, I'm not sure why that was higher. It could have just been the fact that that I've been mining for a week, and then there was a couple of, I purchased a contract midweek, I believe, so I think there was a couple of extra days on there. So instead of it being a payout just for a week, it was a payout for about 9 days, something like that. I'm not entirely sure. I know it could also be related to Bitcoin difficulty, because obviously in a couple of days again, Bitcoin difficulty is going to change. You can just have a look at that in a moment. But yeah, I mean, basically, as you can see, I'm getting payouts with mine in Sweden. They also have a Bitcointalk thread now. So this is their forum posting on Bitcointalk, so you can find out some bits and pieces about them themselves. So keep an eye on that thread. I will post the link in the description. So that's it really. But as you can see, I've been getting payouts, and that's kind of what I just wanted to show you. So yeah, if you're interested, follow the link and have a look for yourself. Read their website, and if you decide you want to pay, then well, that's up to you. It's up, But I sort of personally have good vibes about this company, although don't always listen to what I say. But I do have kind of good vibes about them. I do feel that they're legit. Whether or not they'll be around for the long term, it also depends on the VIP shares, because obviously if people don't buy VIP shares, then it makes them harder to actually build at the farm that they want to. So that could affect things as well. So bear that in mind. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll do another video soon with just more payout information, I guess. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.